Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to save your image from Adobe Lightroom. So let's get started. Firstly, I want you to log in into your Adobe Lightroom, or if you have already logged in, then it's no problem, you can skip this page. After you've logged in, there is terms and conditions, and you should accept and continue it, and you'll be redirected to this page. After that, just click on your allow access. Then you can go on your gallery and click one picture you'd like to edit, and then it'll open in your studio like this. After that, you can do all the edits you want, and then on the top button you can see on the third option there is a box and an arrow pointing up. I want you to click that box and then click on the option of save copy to device. This will help you save your copy to your device, and this is how you save your Lightroom photo to your gallery. I hope this video was helpful. It's me Elise signing off. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, leave it on the comment box below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye guys.